Our next speaker is Smira Dhananjaya, with her speech titled, Innovation and the Finance Sector, Reshaping Financial Services Through AI Technologies.
Allow me to unveil a vision of the future, where artificial intelligence intersects with the realm of finance, shaping the very foundations of the financial services sector. It is a world of innovations, challenges, and boundless opportunities. Imagine a world where mundane financial tasks are automated, freeing up human potential for creativity and innovation. AI technologies such as robotic process automation are revolutionizing the way financial institutions operate. Tedious manual processes are being replaced by intelligent machines, tirelessly executing tasks with unparalleled efficiency and accuracy. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Algorithms, infused with the brilliance of AI, are reshaping the very fabric of finance. Algorithmic trading, once reserved for the elite few, is now at the forefront of the financial revolution. These algorithms, driven by massive computational power, decipher patterns, analyze market trends, and execute trades in the blink of an eye. For some context, algorithmic trading refers to the use of computer programs and algorithms to automate the process of trading financial instruments in markets. It involves the execution of trading strategies that are based on predefined rules and conditions, with minimal human intervention. As you see on the screen, a programmer will develop code that its purpose is to save time for traders and assesses market situations dynamically. The key is that it's entirely dynamic. Implementing the algorithm using computer program is the final component of algorithmic trading, accompanied by backtesting. Backtesting is the process of trying out the algorithm on historical periods of past stock market performance to see if using it would have been profitable. The challenge is to transform the identified strategy into an integrated computerized process that has access to a trading account for placing orders. The following are requirements for algorithmic trading. First, a computer. Programming knowledge to program the required trading strategy, hiring programmers or pre-made trading software. Second, network connectivity and access to trading platforms to place orders. Third, access to market data, feeds that will be monitored by algorithms for opportunities to place orders. Fourth, the ability and infrastructure to backtest the system once it's built, before it goes live on real markets. What you see here is an example of an algorithm that has been tested on previous data. Here are the results. As you can see, this is an efficient way to see whether or not an advanced algorithm might mess with the entire economy, causing massive ramifications. And fifth, available historical data for backtesting depending on the complexity of rules implemented in algorithms. What you see is an example of data that can be used to backtest. Importantly, algorithmic trading strips emotions out of trades and ensures the most efficient execution of a trade. It places orders instantaneously and may lower trading fees. The next biggest component is strategy, automation. This is when algorithmic trading automates the execution of trading strategies, eliminating the need for manual order placement. The strategies are programmed based on specific criteria such as price, volume, and technical indicators which determine when to buy or sell financial instruments. This is incredibly useful, particularly because of its speed and efficiency. Operating at high speeds, it allows for rapid execution of trades. This is crucial in markets where prices can change in milliseconds. By automating the trading process, algorithmic trading reduces latency and ensures that we can have timely order placements. We can ensure that this is accurate as algorithmic trading relies on sophisticated data analysis techniques to identify patterns, market trends, and opportunities in the market. It can analyze vast amounts of historical and real-time data, including market prices, order book data, and news feeds to make informed trading decisions. Imagine a financial landscape where risk assessment is not a mere act of speculation, but a science driven by data and machine learning. AI-powered. Algorithms dissect mountains of historical and real-time data, unveiling intricate patterns that were once invisible to the human eye. These algorithms accurately assess risk, enable financial institutions to make informed decisions, mitigate potential losses, and fortify the very core of our financial systems. However, as with any revolution, challenges emerge on the horizon. Ethical considerations demand our attention as we entrust algorithms with the power to make autonomous decisions. Transparency, accountability, and fairness must guide us on our path forward. We must build safeguards to prevent biases from corrupting our financial systems and ensure that data privacy remains. It has to be uncompromisable in this brave new world. It's important to note that algorithmic trading involves complex systems and carries inherent risks. Traders and financial institutions engaging in algorithmic trading must have a thorough understanding of market dynamics, risk management, and the potential impact of algorithmic strategies on market stability. But let's not dwell solely on the challenges. As we continue to innovate, these issues will inevitably find their own solutions. So, given that, let's focus on the opportunities that lie ahead and how they are vast and transformative. Imagine a financial landscape where personalized investments and advice is accessible to all, where robot advisors empowered by AI offer tailored strategies, guiding individuals towards financial prosperity. The barriers that once stood from preventing the masses from participating in sophisticated investment strategies are crumbling, leaving room for a new era of financial inclusion. And that is not all. Financial services, once reserved for the privileged few, are being democratized. AI-driven chatbots, virtual assistants are breaking down barriers, providing instant customer service and financial guidance to those who were once overlooked. Financial institutions are empowered to serve a wider audience, ensuring that financial literacy and support are within reach for everyone, regardless of background or circumstances. We stand at the precipice of a financial revolution. The fusion of AI and financial services heralds a future where innovation and opportunity are boundless. It's a future where mundane tasks are automated, risks are mitigated, and financial services are democratized. But we must tread carefully, upholding ethics and fairness as our guiding beacons. Let us embrace this future with open arms, harnessing the transformative power of AI to create a financial landscape that serves all of us. Together, we can shape our future where financial prosperity knows no boundaries. Thank you.